so tell me what you got going on here. Tell me what you're making ultimately.
I'm making buttered pecan ice cream that is keto, 1 net carb per scoop.
Okay, so in this pan you've got butter and...
I've just got butter and I'm browning it.
Okay.
And you see it's turning brown.
It is. Yeah.
And so I'm going to just turn it off for a minute since I'm talking.
Okay.
And then right here I'm roasting some pecans.
Okay.
Yep.
And you've got the ice cream machine not set up, but it is here. This is what we're going to use, a regular ice cream machine.
Yep. And then I'll go ahead and add in a whole container of whipping cream. That's 3 tablespoons of butter.
Okay.
And then I'll go ahead and turn this back on and let it come to a simmer.
Okay. And this is 1 cup of pecans. Keep an eye on them, they will burn. I'm thinking you could possibly put these in the air fryer, but maybe not. You just want to keep an eye on them so they don't burn. They're on a medium heat right now. Just get them nice and roasted. You just want to roast these until they're nice and aromatic. You don't want to get them nice and burnt. I couldn't tell you the time yet. We're just getting them warmed up until we can smell them like they're starting to cook. Okay, ignore this much egg down here. We're just using the egg yolk. So 2 egg yolks. And we are using free-range eggs. And once you have beaten those 2 egg yolks, you're just going to take a little bit of this heated mixture, which was the heavy cream and butter, and you're just going to slowly add it into the egg mixture so the eggs don't scramble. And you're whipping those eggs as you add a little bit of the mixture just to even the temperature out for the eggs. If you do it too quickly, they will scramble. Any other words of wisdom there? Nope. And then once you've done that, you're going to add the egg mixture into the rest of the heavy cream and butter, which is, the heat is turned off of it right now. Just make sure you keep stirring.
This, I'm putting in a 1/2 cup of Swerve powdered sugar.
Okay, 1/2 cup of Swerve.
Adding 1/4 of a teaspoon of Xanthan Gum.
Right on in there. Dissolving pretty quickly.
And I'm going to add, pretend that says 1 teaspoon. I'm going to add a little bit more than, maybe just a little bit more.
Now, Shelly's tip here is that this is Mexican vanilla, and it is the only kind of vanilla. She does own extract, but this, and I can attest to it, does taste better than extract.
And I get it right here. I go to that website, and it comes in just like a week or 2. If you want to, you can add a couple of drops of this butter extract just to give it a little bit more butter flavor.
Now, we're going to let this cool in the fridge for probably 2 hours or so. Right now it's still hot, hot to the touch. The pan is hot, liquid is still steaming. And we'll list the recipe in the link in the description below, but you could either put this in the fridge or freezer and stir it every 45 minutes, but this is going to make it so much easier. This is what we used to use when we were making regular cookies and cream ice cream. We're not doing that today, but this machine will make it so much easier.
Yeah.
Hey, the ice cream mixture, which was in the fridge, not freezer.
No, I added it to the freezer.
Oh, you did add it to the freezer. Okay.
And I kept it in there a little too long, so it's okay. It just make it quicker to make ice cream with, but I gotta stir out all those little ice crystals.
Awesome.
Okay, we're gonna pour this. This is going to be butter pecan ice cream keto, and I should have got a. Let me. Go ahead. Get all this out. Get all the good stuff out. This does not have the pecans in it yet. That'll go in later.
There they are resting back there.
And then we will add this. And as the ice cubes, I normally would not use what I would consider to be my good ice cubes. But I forgot to get regular ice because we decided to make this on a whim.
Okay, we're getting ready to add the pecans to the ice cream mixture. Friendly tip, make sure there's no salt on top of this lid before you pull it off or add things to it, because once the salt gets in there, that pretty much destroys the food. That was a cup of pecans, I think, right?
Yes, 1 cup.
How's it look?
Oh, looks like ice cream.
And so once this goes in this container, it's going in the freezer?
Yeah, and let it get hard, although you could eat it right out of here. I would love to eat it right out of here.
I would too. We have not broken our fast yet. That's the trouble with making this delicious stuff. We have this ice cream going here. We've got basically a cornbread crouton here. We've got brisket chili going over here. The house smells amazing, and we haven't broken our fast yet. So now it's just a matter of willpower, but my God, that looks incredible.
It looks really good. And this is supposed to yield 8 scoops.
That looks about right. And each scoop is
one net carb.
One net carb.
Yeah.
Wow.
I can't remember how many calories, but now if you post the recipe that I used for this, I doubled the recipe.
Okay.
So it yields 4, but I doubled it because I knew I would probably eat 4 myself.
I thought this was just 2 scoops right here. That's not.
It's so bad I want to lick this.
I know.